Fixing Marvel Rivals crashing on your PC is really easy to do. First thing you do is you go over to your settings on your computer and actually type in Task Manager. Now you can actually view all of the applications that require the most CPU and memory. OBS Studio requires the most, so you right click on it, click on End. You want to end any of these applications that require a ton of memory, such as Google Chrome, Steam, or even just any other games that you may be running besides Marvel Rivals. Once you do this, you want to open up Steam like so and actually make sure it is fully up to date. Now, as you can see, it'll take a second to actually update. And once you've actually launched the Steam application like so, you simply go over to Library, click on Collections, and you actually want to right click on Marvel Rivals, and you're going to go over to this option like so. Click on Installed Files, and you actually need to verify the game's identity, because it'll basically put you on like a red flag system and make sure your account's not fishy when you click on this. So you actually want to basically verify your account so that it's valid and you can run it. Now once you've done this, you exit out and go over to your actual settings on your computer like so. Click on Update and Security, and you actually want to go over to the Windows Update and make sure your computer is fully up to date, because without it being fully up to date, your game can basically not run, and Marvel Rivals is not allowed to run on old computers. That's just how they built it. So yeah, just make sure it's up to date, and that should fix your issue.